13 Ford Mustang. Put one of these Android decks in it with the little built-in AC control to the dash kit. The weird thing about it is like this the factory, and when you take it off, this little plug here is like the AC control. But you don't use that plug on it when you using this at the market deck. You control it through like the data bus. A couple of it is already like kind of pre-wired into the harness. I wired it up, do a lot of these, but it seems like these Android decks be different like every time. So you know most of this stuff from out there probably won't have much instructions on what to do to it and all that when you run into a problem. But my issue was it would keep changing from hot to cold on its own, blowing from the front vents to the top vents just at random. It would never stay where I put the the actual airspeed would change on its own. It would never stay where it was set. It just kind of go down low and stay where it wanted to stay. So I researched some stuff all over the internet. Surprisingly, I actually end up finding something on it after I looked through. Like if you look through the settings menu, you can kind of go through and look at certain stuff, and you can find like the information on what the model number on this is, so you'll know what to look up. But this what I did to fix it. Went on back up, press this app button, the middle button, make out an app pop up. Go to car settings. When you go to car settings, you're gonna scroll down to factory settings. Go to factory settings. It's gonna ask you for a code. They say it's different codes. I put in 1617. I found the internet, and surprisingly, it worked. So try it on yours. But then you'll go here to can type set. Go to can type set. And this is where it's gonna ask you a bunch of stuff. Like this CAN bus, like drop down, you gonna have to find out which one yours. I just tried all of them, and there's a lot of them. It's a long list. And I finally found one that worked. Because when you click on it, it's only gonna pull up a certain number of cars. So all of them you're not gonna be able to have to try. But mine, as you can see, I got a Ford Mustang, '06 to 14 version. I put it on middle because I put it on anything else, it won't work. How you gonna know when you got it right? Because even if this light up and you could turn these knobs and press this down here and nothing on the screen will control the AC. If you don't have this set right, this will never work. And it's probably gonna be doing the same thing that mine was doing. So if you got issues like that, you're gonna want to start in here. I even looked into like the radio information somewhere in these files, and it told me like the specific CAN bus type. I went through the list, checked that name, typed in the vehicle information, still won't work. I tried them one by one, found one that worked. The first thing you're gonna notice is it's gonna start working here, and it'll have like see like it got low, high. It'll show you like the temperature and all that. If that's not synced up with what this say right here, this is where you're gonna want to look. Because if this ain't right, well, none of it work right. Then I found this. It still was doing it. It's gonna reset soon as you finish picking this. Still didn't fix it. Unplug, take the radio back out. Unplug the main power harness for like 2-3 minutes. Do like a hard reset. Plug it back in. It should work because by now mine would have been tripping. It never really took more than a minute or two, and now say I've been having it about 5 minutes. It's good. So if you've been having a similar issue with one of these Android decks, go into this CAN bus type deal, and that's probably what your issue is, and do that hard reset. Like I got me some